Okay, go.
I've done sounds, do the bucket sounds, and I enter Cole and do the bucket, and Ethan and Kristen to do it.
Okay, now take the bucket.
And pour it on
This is for ALS, for a good charity. Daddy, go help him. Go help him, Daddy.
Got it. All right.
You did it. Now come to the camera so people can see that you're all wet.
Oh, yeah.
Good job. This is for a good cause. It's for ALS.
Can I do that again? Just one more time.
Tell them again who you nominate.
I nominate Kristen and Ethan.
And you got to do it within 24 hours. Tell them.
And I have to do it
No,
with...
you. They. Say you guys
you guys
have to do it
have to do it
within 24 hours.
within 24 hours.
Or else
Or else
you got to pay up.
you gotta pay up. And can I dump my bucket on the water on my head again?
I guess you liked it.
Again? I think you have to dump it on my hair a bit. I think